So many people view a 360-degree feedback assessment as just a performance review. It's not. And the first time I received mine, it completely changed how I understood my leadership. This video is part one of a 5-part series on 360 feedback for leaders. So if you're about to go through a 360, these videos will help you understand what it is, what to expect, and how to actually use the feedback to grow. So let me start with a quick story from my personal experience. The first time I received a 360 report, some of the comments said things like, Andrea interrupts, she pushes her ideas, she doesn't really listen. And honestly, reading that was painful because in my mind, I was passionate and engaging and I was trying to move things forward. And when I thought I was being helpful and decisive and being efficient, I really wasn't, because people were actually experiencing something very different. Some people felt dismissed, steamrolled, and some felt like there just wasn't space for their voice. But that was never my intention. So you don't have to love what you read, first of all, okay? I know I didn't. But if you're willing to sit with it, reflect on it, and take action, it can make you a much stronger leader. And that's exactly what a 360 assessment is designed to do. 360 feedback is when you ask the people around you, your team, your peers, your direct reports, maybe vendors or external partners that you work closely with, how they experience working with you. Instead of one perspective, one lens, that being yours, you get a more full picture of how your leadership shows up across the organization. Now, I'm not here to debate whether companies should or shouldn't be doing 360 assessments. Like any leadership development tool, it works best in the right environment and in the right hands. If leaders aren't open to feedback, or if there's no psychological safety around speaking honestly, the process can become performative, like really quick, really fast. But when a leader genuinely wants to grow and the organization supports that process, a 360 can be an incredibly powerful development tool. So I talk a lot about perception because our perception, while imperfect, forms our version of reality. And the report helped me see something that I couldn't see on my own. So a 360 isn't about judging your leadership. It's about understanding how you show up. It reveals blind spots, not your intentions, but your impact. And this space between your comfort and your skill level is where growth and opportunity lives. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to prepare for a 360 assessment so you can actually get useful feedback. And if you're preparing for a 360 or maybe thinking about running one for one of your team members, I work with leaders and organizations on 360 feedback and development planning. So feel free to reach out. And if this is helpful, as always, subscribe for more leadership insights like this.